Thank you, my very dear brother Khalid Al-Faleh, Minister of Investment, Saudi Arabia, and of course, Excellency Mohammed Al-Tawajri, and our other brothers and sisters here from Saudi Arabia. It was wonderful to be here yesterday attending Future Investment Initiative, very visionary idea of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, and I had the honor to address this great forum also. And then we had a very productive and wonderful meeting with His Royal Highness, and it was very reassuring in the sense that His Royal Highness Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman cares so much for Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. I, in the first available opportunity, thanked him sincerely yesterday for his very valuable support, without which we wouldn't have been able to achieve IMF program. Hopefully this will be the last IMF program, and of course hand-holding by our brotherly country Saudi Arabia. Pakistan will be marching towards economic progress and prosperity. And in this context, after last evening's meeting, this morning has been extremely reassuring, and not only these MOUs which were signed a few weeks back in Islamabad agreements also, the ink hasn't dried, and some of the projects are now under implementation, which is a great news. And inshallah, we will build on to it in times to come. Hopefully, I'll be returning back to my home, not second home, Saudi Arabia, middle of next month. And before that, we have a lot of work to do. We had discussed those very important projects which have mutual interest and benefits, and with your great team, excellencies, and with our wonderful team, we will be able to achieve timelines of those projects. And hopefully when I come back, I will have good news for the people of Pakistan and for the people of Saudi Arabia, that together we are marching forward. Together we are strengthening our relations, our brotherly relations, and together we will achieve under the most dynamic leadership of my very dear brother, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, not only for the people of Saudi Arabia, but not only for the people of Pakistan, but the Muslim Ummah altogether. And I cannot thank you enough for being great hosts to 2.5 million Pakistanis who are working here in Saudi Arabia, contributing towards nation-building efforts. And inshallah, according to your requirements, we will be able to prepare a skilled force which will further contribute in big way in Saudi Arabia's development program. And that's what brotherhood is all about, and that's what a family is all about. We are like a family, inshallah. Thank you very much once again for all your support, and inshallah, with your valuable support and guidance, we will be able to carve out our way forward, and soon we will be able to make big announcements. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.